Hi there, Stacy with WTI. In the world of moms that have a kitchen, what do you think makes you the maddest or angriest? To me, it's walking up to the microwave and finding food and everything stuck inside. Well, if that's the case with you as well, you need an angry mama. I absolutely love this small little plastic container that helps me to clean my microwave. To use the Angry Mama is very simple. You add water or vinegar by just opening the top where her head is and putting your water inside, right up to the fill line. Go ahead and pop it into your microwave, 5 minutes, and the steam that comes out of the top of the Angry Mama dissolves all of the food and everything that might be stuck in the inside of your microwave. When you're done, open the door. I have a sponge here that I did not even add any cleaner to. You just wipe everything down and it's perfect. Voila. Simple as that. One of the best inventions to clean your microwave. That's my point of view.